Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to log out of your Gmail account on a PC, especially after the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're already signed in, you'll see your inbox waiting for you. This is the starting point for our logout process. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or an avatar if you haven't set one up yet. Click on that icon. This action will open a small menu that displays your account details. In this menu, you'll find various options. But what we want to focus on is the Sign Out option. So, go ahead and click on Sign Out. This will log you out of your Gmail account and redirect you back to the login page. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Gmail on your PC. It's a quick process, but essential for maintaining your account security, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Remember, it's always a good practice to log out of your accounts when you're done, to keep your information safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.